James & Sons has been locally owned and serving our community for over 90 years. Our management team has over 130 years of insurance experience. When you call James & Sons, you're actually speaking to a licensed agent. Many of our employees have over 10 years experience. Most have over 20 years of experience with us. We're very proud of our employee longevity. We believe that's what truly makes the difference when you call James & Sons. For additional information, please give me a call. Tom Costello at James & Sons, 330-788-5051. Thank you.